Hello everyone, welcome back to TixChamps. Can find Dream Lab in Canva. If you are looking for Canva Dream Lab so you can generate AI image, don't worry. It's really easy to find and I will show you exactly where it is. So let's get it started. First, open the Canva app on your phone. From the home screen, tap More. Scroll through the available tools until you find Dream Lab. Then tap Dream Lab to open it. If you don't see it right away, make sure your Canva app is updated to the latest version, as some features may not be available in older versions on your phone. Once you are inside Dreamlab, simply type a description of the image you want to create. You can describe anything you like, choose different styles if they are available, and let Canva AI generate your image in just a few moments. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.